So this question is asking, what will this code output? And so as we see, we have already included our stack library, and our stack is made up of characters right here, right? And so I'm going to draw our stack, and so we're first going to push in N, and then we're going to push in A, and then M, and then we're going to end with E, right? And so when we output everything, we're going to start from the top, and we're going to pop E, and then we're going to do M, A, and then N. So the correct answer will be green. Yeah, and so you can kind of tell that, like with letters or with names, it's really easy to kind of reverse names using stacks. It's very easy, so that's a good use for it.